So traders, we are just gonna get straight into it. But before we hit the video, like the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. And for the most part of it, if you want to keep it sellers on our 40% 2-day in-person, 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course, I have my number, my Telegram link, my Instagram link, and my WhatsApp link. Do all that you gotta do to communicate with me so I can come to you for 2 days, change your trading for the good and the better. But without further ado, let me just get straight into it and teach and show you guys possible direction for the coming 2 days, which will be our midweek trading update on daily trading pairs, which is nasdaq, gold, and USDCAD. And as you can clearly see, we're on the first pair, which is nasdaq. And nasdaq, guys, as we clearly spoke, you guys will clearly understand that we spoke about this very same zone, right? That there's only two takes that we're going to be focusing on, right? Is either price will give us a break below to look for those continuations to the downside, or a fill to break to look for those reversals to the upside. So you can clearly see that price did hold above our very same zone, right? And then price gave us what bullish momentum to push to the upside. So looking at the way our current price is I can mark out this. As I mark out this previous resistance, as you guys can clearly know of it, this previous resistance will be a zone that we're going to use to look for continuations either to the upside or to the downside, because you clearly know that price had 4 reactions below this very same zone, right? So if price will give us a fill to break above this zone, then we're going to look for those moves to the downside. But if they break above, then I guess we're going to look for continuations to the upside, and that's all we're going to be keeping it the way we keep it, right? Because prices already gave us what a reaction on our very same zone, and the other zone that we're going to be focusing on is this previous resistance. With a break above, we look for continuations to the upside, or a fill to break, we look for those moves to the downside. Second pair, which is gold. So gold, I'm gonna keep it the way I keep it, right? Because I clearly gave you guys an insight, right? That on our trade idea, all we're gonna be focusing on is to see price giving us a break below, or a fill to break, or a break above, or a fill to break. So price is still trading within. Okay, price is still trading far from our 2 POIs, right? Points of interest, right? If price don't reach this POI or this POI, then I guess there's nothing else that we're gonna do on gold until price gives us a reaction. Now without further ado, last but not least, we're having USDCAD. And on USDCAD, I'm also keep it the way I keep it on gold, right? Because USDCAD, we spoke about price having highs and price having lows, and price giving us this previous high, right, which gave us a break above and a break below, right? So all we're going to be focusing on now on USDCAD is very simple, because you can clearly see that beginning of the week price gave us a break above, right, but couldn't break above our previous high. So with a fill to continue bullish, price is now giving us a push to the downside, and with a push to the downside, we're going to keep it the way we keep it, right? If it happens that price trades below our very same highs, then we're gonna look for that move to the downside. But if price holds above, we're gonna wait for price to give us a break above our current highs, our previous highs, so we can look for those moves to the upside, and that's what we're gonna be focusing on. So USDCAD has 2 takes. If price gives us a trade below our highs, then we're gonna look for continuations to the downside. But if we're gonna have a fill to break and price pushes to the upside, then we're gonna wait for price to break above our previous high, so we can look for those moves to the upside, and that's what we're going to be focusing on. Enough has been shared, enough has been said. All we're now going to look forward into is to see what is price going to do. Will it favor our anticipations, or will it go against our anticipations? If it happens that price favors our anticipations, then that's when we're going to put our money to work. But if it fails, then it simply means we don't put our money to work, and that's all we're gonna keep it the way we keep it. But without further ado, like on the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment on the video so the algorithm can push the video and push itself. But without further ado, that's your boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next educational video.